I've been here for 30 days, and there's no way this is something I could have gotten done in the United States with this quality of care and this cost. I'm very happy, and I think anybody that needs invasive treatment should go outside of the US and especially come to Thailand.
Didn't realize that my teeth were in bad shape until I saw the before and after photographs. And frankly, I'm very, very impressed. The dentist here is an artist, very, very talented.
The staff here are wonderful, amazing service from at every level. I strongly recommend that you come here for your dental services.
These patients came from around the world for their smiles. Now, our team is taking you inside this JCI-accredited dental clinic in Bangkok to show you what makes it so popular with international patients.
Today, about what a customer journey is like. So when a patient first comes in, they will go to your facility. Registration, they send you off to the nurse. A registered nurse is here in order to take care and make sure that they are fit and they are okay for the screen for treatments. So at the nurse station, what they do is they would take your VMP to make sure that it do a flu screening, whether you're safe to start treatment itself, and whether there's any health-related issues or emergencies that you might have. So they would take note in this system in case if you're having any surgery, it helps to screen out or alert on the medications that the patient's taking. That's your safety must. We're now going off after the nurses take care of the basic screenings. It is sent off to a consulting dentist to have a treatment plan drawn up. So now we'll go up to see how the treatment plan really is like. When a patient comes, after they check with the nurse, then we'll go to the consulting room so to meet our consulting dentist. This is how our consulting room looks like. Our consulting dentist, she would normally draw up a treatment plan and tell the patients what options there are. Basically, when you come with the issues, there are many ways whereby it could be having a plan. For example, if you have a missing tooth, might need implant, she might do a bridge, he might do a denture. So the options are listed out and are customized for each individual patient. So our consulting dentist is the one that helps to sort them out. Well, we have a consultation doctor or consultation data, obviously, that we want to have our x-ray take. So the doctors can see what's happening, do a proper diagnostics. After consultations, take x-rays, everything is shown on screen automatically in these, both on the consulting pages as well as on the units. So the doctor talk through the patients, what happening from what kind of things treatments need. Each room has its own safety mechanisms, just hand hygiene, graffiti wear, and disease is sterilized each time. This is the lobby further. The 3 buildings are up with the 3rd floor, the 4th floor, and 6th floor. And also about doctors and specialists here, there are lecturers or professors or other specialists in Thailand. So at EIEC, the dentists here are very well experienced and usually international speakers are there here. So they're very highly skilled. A lot of them are American born and graduated from US, UK, overseas. So they are basically the teachers of other specialists, which are treating. We do have our own on-site lab here. Therefore, we use the latest technology in digital dentistry in here. The second thing is we're award-winning clinics. So we have got a lot of awards with regards to the best practice and the quality of care. This is our smile studio. For patients who come to have a makeover here, they can opt to have your before-after picture taken. So you set it up to them.
MTC is with you every step of the way. For your medical or dental trip, contact MTC today.